Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. The base dimension is 85 plus 35 120 and height is 90 mm. First I will create a L shape. Thickness is 15 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me. Give the dimensions 120, this is 90, mm. Finish sketch. Select extrude, select mid plane, width we want 70 mm. Select this surface, sketch, diameter 70, circle, half circle, trim entities, finish sketch, extrude 55 mm. Again select this surface, sketch, select circle, diameter 40, trim the half circle, finish sketch, select extrude, cut, here select through hull, OK. Select fillet, give the dimension 35 mm, apply. Select this surface, sketch, select slot, give the dimensions, slot width is 20, select this, select this and fully constrained, finish sketch, select extrude, cut, apply. Next you can see here one rib 10 mm thickness, select line, finish sketch, select rib, thickness is 10 mm. Okay. That's it, friends. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment, please. Save the part. So here assign the material. I will go with nylon. So if you want, we can change the finishes here. So presently nylon 6 is there. If you want, we can change. So once again, I am requesting you to all friends, please do subscribe, like, share my videos. Thanks for watching this.